Good day, my friends, and welcome to my channel, the Tony FX YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please like, share and subscribe because we would keep dropping updates. In this channel, we're going to teach you the basics of how to trade crypto and how to trade forex, and then we're going to teach you the strategies we use. We're going to teach you the softwares we use, and we're going to make sure you develop the right mindset. As you can see here, this is a video about important life choices on success. So the choices you make is going to develop to the results you get in life. The compounding of good choices is going to lead towards success. So subscribe to this channel. We're going to give you a lot of value. Just go to YouTube right now, type on Tony FX, like this video and click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So today I'll be showing you guys how to claim a free token. So you have to first of all go to our Telegram group. This is my Telegram app opening up. Alright, first of all go to the Telegram group, the 10x token community Telegram group, which is going to be packed with value of coins, crypto coins that you'll be able to earn massively from. I hope you invite your friends, ask for the link, share the link to your friends. I dropped a broadcast information you can always share with your friends so that they'll be able to come and join us in this journey and in free tokens, in free coins in their wallet. Okay, so I will type here, let me search for it. Let me search for it. 10x. Okay, there's it. 10x CA token community. This is a community where the value of a lot of coins will be dropped. So the link to this Telegram group will be dropped on the description. If you want to join, it will be dropped on the description. So today, this is information I dropped on how to claim 1000 BNB free without spending any money. It's free information. As you can see, there are a lot of people joining the group and getting value. What are you waiting for? Join us today and come and earn value. Earn value for your time, earn value with your phone, earn value in your time, earn value with your phone, earn value. Okay, back into the group. Okay, back into the group. Okay, so this is the coin we're going to claim today, Galaxy Sophie token. You first of all copy this link below here. You copy, and then you move over to your Trust wallet. You leave the Telegram group, Telegram app, you move over to your Trust wallet. So this is Trust wallet, this one over here, this is the Trust wallet. You see it's a white icon, Trust wallet. Don't download anything that is not this. So now we are inside our Trust wallet, and then I'll have to move over to this point, D app. I'll move over to this point, D app. I'll click on it, and up here we can see search or enter website URL. So I'll click on it and paste that link from the group, and then I click on this button to load. I click on the button to load. So the URL is loading. And it has completed the loading. So right now we have to change this icon, which is an Ethereum icon. We will change it to smart chain. I clicked on that icon and this came out, and I have to click on smart chain. So I'll click on smart chain, and then the website will load again. so we have to be patient for it to load. Okay, the website has loaded, so we have to scroll down, and then here they say claim airdrop. You click on it, and the transaction page will open up. So here we are going to spend $0.82 worth of Binance Smart Chain. If you don't have Binance Smart Chain, you can go to the group chat, the 10x crypto group chat, and make an order. So anyone who has the Binance Smart Chain can come and trade with you. You have to follow the rules of the group. It's very, very important and very, very critical that you follow the rules of the group. If you have other means of getting your coins, you do that. So then we click on approve over here. We click on approve. Okay, so we then have to go back to the home page. Now we can't see any coin, so we go back to the group, the Telegram group. Let's wait for the Telegram app to load so we can copy the contract address so we can find our coins which we have claimed. In the next video, I will show you how you'll be able to claim these airdrops without spending more than $0.05 on it. So it is loading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated when I send how you can be able to claim that token without spending more than $0.05. So I'm back into the group. It's loading. Okay, here they said contract address. I have to copy this text. I'll copy the full text, and then I'll go to the message and paste it. So I can then scroll down and copy this contract address. Then I'll go back to my Trust wallet. Let's go back to Trust wallet. Okay, we're back to Trust wallet now. So to find the coins, we have to click over here where we have a toggled icon. I click on it, and then I will paste that contract address there, and here we can see no asset found. Then we click on add token. So yeah, first of all, you have to change the network just the same way we changed on the website. We change it from Ethereum to what? Binance Smart Chain. Click on Binance, and then we paste that contract. So as soon as you paste the contract, this will automatically fill itself. There are some wallets, if you use an iOS, here that is 18 will be 6, but because I'm using an Android, this is now 18. If you notice that too, you inform me, because I noticed that I've done this on my iPhone and I got 6 as a decimal, but here on the Android it is 18. Then you click on done over here. Click on done. Voila, the tokens has appeared. So this is to tell you that whatever value we share in the 10x Crypto Academy, 10x token community, it's full of value. And before I share this valuable content, I will make sure that it is not going to be a scam and you're not going to get rid of your money. I always share value that is going to do what? Add value to you, either financially, either personally, or either health wise. So I would like you to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.